Hey friends, if you wish to hide stories from a particular website on Edge Newsfeed, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Open Microsoft Edge. You will notice a lot of stories here. Okay. So if you wish to hide a specific website, click on the three dots associated with it. There is something called as block Hindustan Times, like block the name of the website. See, it will be different for this one. It will say block India Today. Simply click on this one and it will block all stories from that source. But on the contrary, if you say follow this one, okay, it will start bringing up more stories from that particular website. So this is what it does. And yes, you may say that it still shows those videos. So all you need to do is close this and open it again, and you'll notice that this time stories from the website that you blocked are not going to show up here. It will earlier because the page wasn't refreshed, but when you reopen it, it won't show. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.